Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. Day before yesterday, when a matter came for urgent listing regarding the allotment of chambers to the Supreme Court advocates, Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri M.E. Ramana, stated or retorted literally in a sarcastic way that as advocates they used to stand under the trees. Arey Baba, you are fortunate to have chambers. We can't provide chambers to all of you. Nowhere in the country the advocates have chambers within the court itself. These are the words used by Honorable Chief Justice of India. When a plea for the allotment of chambers to the Supreme Court lawyers was mentioned in the urgent listing, the Chief Justice of India said the lawyers should consider themselves fortunate to get the chambers, as nowhere in the country the lawyers are given chambers except Delhi. Of course, you know, in Ongole town, there are certain chambers allotted to the lawyers. When I go to Guntur, we used to see the lawyers used to have a bench and a small table and discuss with the clients in the lobby of the district court premises. That's all. They are not given any chambers in Guntur. Ongole, luckily, there are two advantages with Ongole bar. Number one, Ongole is having the so-called chambers, just like what is stated by our Honorable Chief Justice of India. And there is an area called as Lawyer Pet in Ongole. One particular area is designated as Lawyer Pet. Now it is a very posh locality. Even the ex-minister Balin Srinivas Reddy, his house is located in the Lawyer's Street or Lawyer Pet. Right. And CJI recollected, yes, this is the correct word, recollected. Please remember, we used to stand under the trees. So, actually, how this thing is being done, we have to understand. The allotment of the chambers will be done by a 3-member committee. So, for which CJI will be the head, and after the committee submitted the proceedings, then CJI will allot the chambers to the concerned advocates. Actually, very recently, the Supreme Court's administrative branch, they published the list of 468 lawyers who are allotted chambers. The others, thousands of lawyers will be there in the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Therefore, the other lawyers moved the urgent motion for the allotment of chambers. Actually, Honorable Justice B.R. Gawai, Suryakanth and J.K. Maheshwari, these 3 members committee, they have tried hard, they spent a lot of time and finalized the list of allottees. So therefore, CJI said, with great difficulty, something happened. So don't expect palatial chambers to the advocates in the Supreme Court premises. Getting a place itself is a big favor. Nowhere in the country except Delhi you have got the chambers. You are fortunate to get the chambers. So these are you can call them as obiter dicta or expression or opinion of the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Here, the recollection of words we used to stand under the trees. Yes, it is a fact. We used to see. There was a joke also. I think when I was in Kavali it happened. Normally, when the call work is going on, and at the time only the fans also, they don't work during the peak hours of, particularly during the summer season. So normally, since the call work is going on, our time will be, you know that you will be called at a particular time. So therefore, in order to actually to take rest or to take, these people used to come and take rest under while away the time under the trees. It so happened that the magistrate, a case came up before the magistrate, and the magistrate asked the other side lawyer, Arey Baba, go and call him, that lawyer who is taking rest under the shade of the tree. So, Chettu Kinda Pleaderu, Ani Aperu, Sardaga Vichindanikose. He came, he wanted to represent, and he could not do so. And in the meantime, his father, who was a very popular lawyer, Mr. Ramana Reddy, he came. Then this judge, magistrate, he said, he is your son. I don't know that he is your son. He immediately retorted, Sir, ma varne, lawyer itu chata kaadu kanisa oka magistrate avara nu etu maatladalevu paina kuchuna judgment iddu gaani ani cheppi cheyamante magistrate parishalo kuda sariga ready gaatledu annadu. It was a joke. Meeku ardhamaయిందో ledo naaku anumanam. అంటే చెట్టు కింద ప్లేట్ అంటారు కదా, అంటే ఇక్కడ పనికి మాలినంతా చెట్టు కింద ఉంటారని జడ్జి గారి ఉద్దేశం. కానీ వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారు ఏం చెప్పాడు, అయ్యి మా వాడు ఎటు చెప్పలేడు, మీరు అసలేమి మాట్లాడలేరయ్యా, కాబట్టి జడ్జిలు అవుతారని చెప్పి ఆయన రిటార్ట్ అయ్యాడు. ఇట్స్ అ ఫన్నీ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. బట్ ఎనీవే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ది ఒపీనియన్ ఆఫ్ ది చీఫ్ జస్టిస్ ఆఫ్ ఇండియా. నార్మల్లీ you can't get palatial chambers. The words used by him, don't expect palatial chambers, and getting a place to sit itself is a favor. Very good words used by the Honorable Chief Justice of India. Of course, it is only his expression. Nothing is going to happen with this. Please remember, the allotment of the chambers will be done as per the Supreme Court lawyers' chambers, within brackets, allotment and occupancy rules. So there are certain rules, they will follow the same. Right? Thank you very much.